In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in WordPress. Whether you're looking to enhance your WordPress site by adding custom scripts or simply want to inject some HTML to tweak your page, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control panel for your WordPress site, where you can make many of the changes you'll need. Once you're logged in, head to the left sidebar where you will find a series of options. From here, click on All Pages. This will open up a list of all the pages you have created on your site. After you've opened up the list of your pages, identify the specific page you want to modify. For our tutorial, let's say we're going to edit the home page. Click on the page title to open it in the editor. Now that you are in the editor, it's time to start adding some HTML code. At this point, WordPress uses a block editor called Gutenberg. You'll want to add a new block, which is essentially a piece or section of content on your page. Look for the Add Block button, which is typically represented by a plus icon. Click on this icon to bring up a list of available blocks. In the search bar within this list, type Custom HTML. This will filter the list and bring up the block you need, allowing you to insert raw HTML directly onto your page. Click on Custom HTML to add it to your page. Next up, you should have some HTML code ready to paste into this block. If you don't, you might want to find a sample code to work with. Simply search online for any HTML snippet you want to use. Sites offering free HTML samples can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to enhance the design or functionality of your site. Once you have your HTML code, go back to your WordPress page and paste the code into the custom HTML block you just added. This is your opportunity to customize your page with new features or design elements, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. With your code in place, the next step is crucial. It's always important to preview any changes you make on a live website, and WordPress provides an easy way to do this. Find the Preview button and click on it. This will allow you to view exactly how your HTML code appears on the live version of your site before you permanently save the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully added HTML code to your WordPress page without any coding hassle. Feel free to experiment with different HTML snippets to customize your site to your liking. Thanks for watching and happy coding.